start cleaning out the part from your sink.
Too bad I don't have another plug like this, so I could put it
I was gonna say, you don't have another one? Out of all the stuff you have in your backyard,
yeah,
you don't have a new one?
Not this kind.
Oh. How much are they?
I don't know.
Wouldn't it just be better to spend 10 bucks and buy a new one?
Yeah, but I would have to go to the store and get one at Lowe's.
Want me to see how much they are?
Home Depot, huh?
Want me to see how much they are? We can go get one.
Oh, they're about $1 or something, about $2-3.
So how old is all this gunk inside of here, you think?
Huh?
How old is all the gunk in here?
I don't know. I couldn't give you a slightest idea.
It smells like sewage, potatoes, bacon.
You know what? It smells like shit.
That too.
Oh, he's chewing on TV, yeah.
That's fine.
See, this one had Teflon.
Yeah.
I don't know how much time you're dead. Tell your dad, see if he wants us to go get another one. We go get it.
All right.